Hey everyone, my name is Gavin, and this will just be a quick tutorial on how to have your player move progressively faster and faster the more times they press the spacebar. And I'm just going to get started. So start off, let's go from defaults to game logic, Blender render, Blender game. And let's start off down here and have an always sensor like this and a keyboard sensor like this. This keyboard sensor we're going to rename as space with tap selected, and for the key put the spacebar. And let's add an integer property. And let's have speed right here be the name of the integer. Or actually, let's have it be a float. A float like this. I'll hit this I and then do game and then show debug properties. So we should see the speed variable is in the top left corner. Alright, now that we have this, what we're going to do is do templates, Python, and then game logic simple, and delete the portion I've highlighted, and hit control and scroll up on your mouse to make your text larger, and rename this as scripts.py. Once we have this, add a Python controller and connect it like this. Add the script right here, and what we're going to do is add a motion actuator. Add a motion actuator. I'll call this move, and what we're going to do is connect that right here. So let's define our space sensor really quick. So space is going to equal controller.sensors space. And let's do move is going to equal controller.actuators move. Alright, so now that we have this, what we're going to do is have, if we press the spacebar, so if space.positive, we're going to have own speed is going to plus equal 0.25. Alright, so now that we have this, let's have a variable after this that's going to be cube speed is going to equal own speed. Alright, and now that we have this, what we're going to do is we're going to define the positive y-axis for our move actuator to be whatever our variable for speed is at the moment, our cube speed. So let's have move.dlock is going to equal 0, cube speed, 0. Alright, now that we have this, we're going to do controller.activates move. So if we were to drag this out and hit P, we should see it's not going to do anything, but if we press the spacebar, it'll continually go faster. And I'll probably do, let's say, 0.1 to make it more effective, or how about 0.05? So we should see the cube is going to speed up progressively like this, and as it shoots off into the distance. Well, alright, this is how to make a cube move progressively faster by tapping the spacebar. I hope you all find this very useful. I will show you guys the script just for one more second. And there you go. Alright guys, thanks for watching.